Hi, this is Joe from PencilPixels. This is a tutorial on how to use scripts and working with the charcoal effect for Photoshop. A script is as easy to use as an action, but provides a broader range of Photoshop abilities. An effect will come to you as a zip file. If it doesn't automatically unzip, double-click the file. The unzipped folder will usually have these files: a PDF that is about loading and using a script, the script itself that has an extension of .jsx, some information about PencilPixels, and a file that has information specific to the effect. Take the script and place it in a convenient area. Let's get rid of this for now. Always have an image open in Photoshop first. There are 3 ways to use the effect on an image. One method is to drag and drop the script file onto the Photoshop application icon. If the script has several effects, you'll see a drop-down menu to select one of the effects and the script will start. The second method is the most common. To select the script effect through menus, from the File menu, drag down to select Scripts, and drag over to select the Browse option. A system dialog window opens and you will navigate to the script from where you left it. A dialog window comes up, select your effect, and press Continue. The third method is to store and select it directly from the Photoshop's Script menu. Locate your Photoshop's application folder, open the Presets folder, then open the Scripts folder. You can put the scripts in here. I just keep all my scripts in a PencilPixels folder for organization. You only have to do this once. To use the effect, select the File menu, go down to Scripts, and then you can select the charcoal effect from here at any time. About the dialog box that pops up. Selecting a script will make all the Photoshop layers that produce the effect. There is an option to produce all 25 effects and then output them as JPEG images at the same size as the original image. First, select a folder to save them in. You can create a new folder or use the one that by default was the last one used. Click to proceed and then view the JPEG images to see the effect that works best for your needs. Then you could use the JPEGs to choose the effect and run that to see all the layers that made it up. Now here's the wildest part. With the development version of the script, we have output all of the effects as fully layered files to demonstrate this particular item. Each effect uses the same layers, but by turning some layers on or off, changing the opacity, or some layers changing the blend mode, produces different effects. As an artist, you can take advantage of this by running a script and start experimenting with the layers, blend modes, opacities, or order of layers. And then you come up with your own variation of these effects. This is the springboard for your creativity. It doesn't matter what I'm doing here right now, it's just offering different ways of seeing the visibility, changing opacities, and blend modes. But I see what I like or don't like. Then comes the creative value to all of this. Save the artwork that you're happy with as a Photoshop file with all the layers that are modified. Now you can apply the same treatment from any other charcoal effect just by matching layer by layer to your saved file. The result may be subtly different or dramatically different. Some other methods that the layers can provide for. Here we'll make one of the rough charcoal effects. Do some changes if you like, and then take a texture, or a brick wall, or paper, or even a sidewalk. Copy and paste them together, and in this instance I'm using a blend mode on the layer of multiply to combine their look. Then, to add to the effect, go to the supplied mask layer of the original image and paint out selected areas. Change the blend mode from color to normal. Another way I've experimented with this is to silhouette out the sweater portion of this image and hold on to it as a separate file. The scripts don't change the original image layers. It duplicates the image first. Once the effect is done, take the sweater silhouette from the original file and shift-drag the layer from the original to the effect. Move it to the top position, and adding a drop shadow adds this depth. Well, thanks for watching this charcoal tutorial, and just think about the unlimited possibilities with this effect set.